In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add glow text in DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing that you want to do is right click on your text and go to Open in Fusion page. And there you can see our text. Now all we want to do is press Shift and Space. And we're going to type in soft glow. Just press Enter or click on Add. Okay, so now you can see our gain is pretty crazy on here. So we just want to drop our gain down around about 1.2 should be fine, but it's all up to preference. So here we can adjust our threshold, our glow size, put these things up to max just so you can see what they do. Definitely want to increase the glow here. And that is it. That's pretty much how you do it. You can jump back to the edit tab to have a look at what your new glow effect looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.